Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Thank you very much. Please kindly subscribe like video, share video. Libala nje ngokwe voice yami nayo yonke into, right? Ngizolokhu nikhumbuzile bafowethu. Uzozwa umunye sethi hayi voice yakho mana ayikho mnandi. Engathi ivoice ayidliwa bafowethu. Ivoice ayidliwa ngishilo ukuthi ngiyagula, right? So khohla ke nje ngevoice asikhulume ngokhanya imbawu. Ngiye ngabona isithombe sikaKhanya Imbawu bafethu abantu bekhuluma ngoKhanya Imbawu ukuthi ayi girl ever since she went under the knife ukuzama ukuzishintsha nokuthinthini. We all know Khanya Imbawu before. We all see uKhanya Imbawu now. Hayi girl, like honestly mina ngisithandela uKhanya Imbawu waqala, especially waka 2021. I think is it 2019 2021 ngizophosela isithombe lana bambekile nje uKhanya Imbawu ngo20 wakudala lo yaka bleach. Anti siyazi uKhanya Imbawu akafihle ukuthi uya bleach abafethu. She's been bleaching ugirl. Kuno Khanya Imbawu ngathi udakinyana wakudala kuzobona ka 2019 kuzobona ka 2021. Ukhona lo ka 2025. Ayi angimfuni inhlobo yabona lo ka 2025. Guys, like, did you see how Khanya Imbawu looks like? Hayibo. Yabona lo ka 2025 ugirl uzimosha. Hayi guys, niyambona uKhanya Imbawu wa before beka right. Lo ka 2025 is not make sure. What the hell is this one, girl? Like, what the hell have you been doing to yourself? Ekublisha nyayibona ayinto bedaki. Wablisha waseba mhloshana abantu bethi ha uKhanya Imbawu sengathi umhlophe ukudlula belungu. Akunzima. But le ekade yenza mva eyokushintsha angazi yini ade ishintsha ugirl lapha. Ubuso buvele that shape of your face, girl, is just a no for me. Ayi kodwa ngiyamjaja, angifuni ukuthi ngithi ngiyamjaja. Hayi ngiyamjaja. Girl ngiyakujaja. I'm sorry because it's your face, your life, your body, your whatever, your money, you know what I mean? Konke nje imali yakhe ugirl uzenzela into zakhe ngemali yakhe. Hayi kodwa ngiyamjaja. Hayi angifuni nje umuntu ezothi hey phuma nendabeni zabantu yeye kani uKhanya Imbawu. Girl ngiyakujaja because please look at Khanya Imbawu at 2025. Njengoba muva nje kwakushiwo ukuthi ugirl ubusy lapha was it Turkey? Where was it? Okhona le Dubai la phila khona nomyeni wakhe who's the guy konje? Ukudzi. Hayi. No, not the Khanya Imbawu 2025. Ngiyamjaja. Wena mawungamjaji thanks to you. Mina ngiyamjaja nje girl. Ngifila ngathi ubuso bakhe sebenzi baba ngenye indlela. Ay girl no. Hayi bafethu imali sinayo kodwa no man. Sesingayisebenzisa ezinye izinto ukuze manje kushintsha amadlebe ukuthi amadlebe athini, umlomo uthini, amakhala wathini. Zikhona ezinye izinto ongeke ukwazi ukuzishintsha man on your body. You can bleach. Yabona le bleaching mina ngazi ngibe nendaba noKhanya Imbawu bleaching. You can bleach. At least nje you just like skin sakho ufuna sibe light. Yabona manje masufuna ukutshintsha inhloko uyitshintsha ukuthi ayibukeke kanjani, amakhala abukeke kanje. Hayi yabona lokho mina bafowethu I'm against. Hayi buku Khanya Imbawu lo obusubuka lo Khanya Imbawu wamanje eseyenze yonke lento ade yenza. Kanti bafowethu imali ngiyokuthi asenze njani? Hayi bafethu no. Ngiyamjaja mina ugirl, ungamjaji thank you. Thanks to you mina ngiyamjaja nje. Okay, asikhulume lapha ngaye ke baze babhala ngaye lapha ukuthi uKhanya Imbawu kuphawula ngokuba semidlalweni weNetflix lapha ukuthi uzobe khona lapha. She's one of the cast members when it comes to the Khumalos, okay? Simbonile nje ingakho nje abantu bekhuluma ngaye sebekhuluma nangobuso bakhe. Uyavela lapha ukuthi ukhala ngendima yokulingisa athi siphelele umkhuba ke wakudala okubheka ke abantu abane talent la ngempela ngoba ke uthi sibheka kubantu abazakhela igama ezinkundleni zokuxhumana nomlingisi ke uKhanya Imbawu loyo. So bekhuluma ke lapha ke ngendaba zokulingisa ngoba she is one of the cast members, okay? So manje abantu bakhuluma ngaye uyatrenda ke ugirl when it comes to her face. Let me see, MDN News are saying Khanya Imbawu's look at the Netflix amid the Khumalos premiere has taken social media by storm just months after she revealed she had undergone a whatever, what is that? Is it blepharoplasty? Blepharoplasty. English imply blepharoplasty surgery, okay? So now her openness girl Her openness about having cosmetic procedures remains a hot topic, drawing both praise and criticism from the public. I mean, I am criticized. I'm one of those who are criticizing her because, girl, njani kaloku seunje? Anginandaba ne-bleaching, nginendaba nje ne-shape yobuso bakhe sebungathi ke manje sebutwistwe batwistwa. Yabona ke le surgery kade yenza muva nje bafowethu ivele yamosha ugela hayi. Kukhona abantu sebethi hayi, even the ancestors they can't recognize uKhanyimbawu. You see this picture, this beautiful picture. Someone said uKhanyimbawu should have stopped here. She should have stopped here. I agree with the person. A beautiful Khanyimbawu. Siyazi ukuthi bese bleacher vele here, but still beautiful. Bonakala ukuthi okay, why dark? Wa bleacher waba mhlophe waba right. Okunye nokunye sekwenza manje sifuna ukutwist indlebe ibheke, ufuna ukutwista lokhu umhlatha ubhekele. No girl, no, like honestly. Hi, look at this particular one. Ukonote now, so Khanyimbawu went through that painful surgery only to end up looking like Sima. Bakhona bathi ubukeka njengo Sima. Does she look like Sima, you guys here? For me, she doesn't look like Sima. No, for me, she doesn't. She looks, I'm sorry, but a bit funny. Hi, Khanyimbawu. No. Yeah, imali yakhe phela ugeli yonke into vele uyenza ngemali yakhe bafethu. You know, persesi yasho nje ukuthi hayi man. No. Look at no. Ugeli uyatrend kunjena bafethu. Someone is even saying, parents, please teach your children to understand that your beauty is not from outside, but inside. Don't let them Khanyimbawu themselves. Kuthiwa don't let them Khanyimbawu themselves. Look at uKhanyimbawu nje esayizikhulela ugele sayintombi enhle on that particular red striped t-shirt. uKhanyimbawu ongakayenza into eyiningi, but mhlawumbe bese saziwa eseyicelebrity, but engekenza okuningi, engakabi nale mali eningi yokwenza okuningi. I don't know how to say it. Yabona lapha kulesa skipa nje esingathi si red and white stripes. And this one of the 2025. No, don't let your children Khanyimbawu themselves. I agree. Because what the hell, man? Look at this Khanyimbawu here. This Khanyimbawu here. Buka nje ugel emuhle man, emuhle ugel. Yafika imali. Oh, Nkosi yami Khanyi. Yabona this 2025 Khanyimbawu. No, bafethu kunzima ke ugel abantu selokhu bekhulume ngaye bethi so ugel. Did you see the proceedings, whatever it is? Ngoba wayelo ke postile lapha ngesikhathi senza leya surgery eseyinhlungwini nani, you guys, ubuso budonsekile abantu bethi yo indlebe zizohlangananele kungani. Did you see that, you guys? So she went through all that only to look like this, only ukuthi azobukeka anje egcineni. Hayi bafethu, hayi uKhanyimbawu waqala waye right, wayengenankinga nje bafethu. Owamanje sokungenye into nje engayazi mina nje for me bafethu. Ngithi udade unemali siyambongela, right? But ukuba nemali nakhona bafethu zikhona izinto ongeke ukwazi ukuzishintsha. Asifundisaneni, honestly speaking, zikhona izinto emzimbeni ongeke ukwazi ukuzishintsha. Iskin ungashintsha vele uzobleacha. She was bleaching emuhle semhlophe, abantu sebethu semhlophe ukudlula belungu. We understood that. Wayifunile ugela ukuzibleach. Yabona kwamanje akasableach ugela sevele senza into eziphuma endleleni ke manje. Yabona lokho siphuma endleleni girl. Yabona ke manje ufuna utshintsha amehlo athini utshintsha. Yabona nje hayi. Ngesikhathi esaseyinhlungwini bafethu kuposta lapha ukuthi uKhanyimbawu ukuprocess yantontoni, bakhona abantu ababethi amehlo azohlangana nendlebe, kwakungenye indlela bafethu. It was scary. So ubukeka kanje manje unje, this is the full Khanyimbawu after yonke leya process. Ukhanyi unje bafethu, and khumbula une makeup la, umakeupile. So tell me engena imakeup ukuthi unjani. Hayi, angazi your thoughts in the comment section. Mina ngisengikusho nje as girls, zikhona izinto singeke sikwazi ukuzishintsha bafethu. No matter ukuthi uyibillionaire unemali, sayibonga indaba yemali, siyabonga. Umuntu vele uyasebenza, usebenze kanzima, you know what, congratulations, but musukushintsha izinto ngokwazi. If you can't, you can't. Don't change what you can't change. Hayi bafethu, no. But anyways, uvologa comment section, like the video, subscribe, share, asibonane kwelandelayo.